The GM Financial Sales Internship is the Cadillac of internships. There's not a lot of companies out there that'll travel you coast to coast, expose you to executive leadership every day.
The internship helped me create a really strong foundation for a career in sales because we were talking to people and traveling and going countrywide to dealerships and credit centers. It really set me up to see what I would be doing full-time as a strategic account manager. I thought it was great exposure to the automotive industry, both internal and external. And I love the mentorship that I got from my managers and my peers. We all have different backgrounds and different experiences and different knowledge. It's really a great program to be able to learn from each other, help each other grow, really foster each other's growth and focus on the team members and community, and also just the sales side of the business.
In sales, you can leverage and utilize, the things you learn in school, the things you learn with your major, and really be a Swiss Army knife. So with GM Financial, it's really neat to see, spending time with colleagues, with dealers. You can lean on the things that you're comfortable and confident in to go out there and do the job. Really, I saw an opportunity to spend a career with GM Financial and not just a job opportunity. The long-term vision of what's going on with GM Financial is really what pulled me back.
Really taking a chance on GM Financial changed my life because I tried something new. I found a passion for it, not only with the company and the industry, but in sales as well. I really found where I can utilize those strengths and weaknesses that I have to grow as a young professional and really cater and tailor my career to what I'm good at and what I love.
You have the opportunity to work with very successful dealers and pioneers in the business. You don't see that every day from a lot of internships, and so really neat to see it continue to evolve. It's second to none.